Peace River. This place is a little different. They have 30 amp hookups, water, no sewer. And then they have you come park somewhere, get a spot, and then you can go up and enter a lottery to see who gets the 50 amp sites with sewer. The one like ours, they'll come pump you out once a week. All right, we got here yesterday and we did not participate in the lottery for a 50 amp spot with sewer. So we just stayed in our other spot, but we did participate today. This is our second day here and we just did it. We got the spot we wanted. So it's our current spot. It's been great for one night, but we are going to exit stage left and go to our new spot. All right, I have to mention this. Some days you have good days, some days you have bad days with backing up. Yesterday we backed into this site. This is a really big area. No one's across, the road's pretty big. Our site's big. I went back and forth 10 times trying to get this thing where we wanted it in the site. I couldn't get it lined up for some reason. It was crazy. So now we're moving to our other site in the same campground, and just to hook up the truck to the Kingpin, it took me like at least 10, probably more times. I can usually get it the first time. I told Sarah, I'm like, this site is cursed. This is crazy. If anyone saw us get here yesterday and this, they probably think it's my first time driving the truck. So yeah, just don't get frustrated. I've seen, a couple weeks ago I watched a big name RVer try to hook his up, and he was going back and forth trying to hook it up to the Kingpin. So I don't feel bad. I know it happens to everybody. Sometimes you just have a bad day. Should I mention his name? And the new spot is on the quiet end of town. We got a dead end that way, dead end that way. You know, we're known for being so quiet, so we decided to come over here. This looks nice. I want to go kayaking now.
It goes all the way down there. I didn't saw that. Oh! I don't even know.
Got a good current going too.
The other day the tide wasn't.
Oh, it wasn't this deep?
Right here. You touched it.
I did. Just want to see. It's I could swim in it maybe. It's a little chilly, but not as chilly as the ocean, I don't think.
It's a lake, Daddy.
Oh, sorry. I think it's a river. It's called Peace River. Kids are having fun tonight. There's a million kids out in this area right now. Can't see them. They're all around the corner, but there were a million kids. We haven't been in any woods since we've been in Florida, and this is like palm tree woods. It's kind of cool.
Daddy, there's another path right here.
Oh, no sign of any gators.
ready? Go.
What's this?
Good job, Reagan. Holy cow.
I know.
There goes Zizi. The twins learned how to ride their bikes without training wheels while we were here. I'm honestly smiling the whole time. I'm so happy they learned to do this and they're doing so good. They've tried really hard for a while now, so this is awesome.
I did my brakes, Daddy.
Twins. Where are we, Scranton?
If people could go in it.
1914.
Parkour!
Parkour!
1, 2, 3. Parkour!
This train's like a quarter mile from our campground, so we had to come check it out. There's an actual museum over here, but it's closed because this is Saturday evening.
Not going in right now.
No. So all in all, we really like this park. Their activities person really does a great job. There's a ton of stuff for the kids to do. They drive around and hand out popsicles. They had a parade giving candy out. They do movie nights. They had a magic show while we were there. Just really great job with all that stuff. It's a nice park. The only downfall is their lottery system, which really isn't a lottery. It's just goes in order of when you get there. You check in, they put your name on the list, and they just go right down the list and they call it a lottery for some reason. It's a really cool park. They have nature trails. They're right on the Peace River. We would definitely go back here again.